With the grand New Year celebrations in Bengaluru comes the task of cleaning the roads, which are later littered with garbage items. Empty bottles, plastic waste, plastic covers, food packets, metal cans, and other materials are usually dumped on the road at the central party hubs of the city. After the midnight celebrations, the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike officials promptly initiated the cleaning process in the central business district. Starting at 3:30 am and continuing until 6 am, they tackled the task of cleaning the city roads by morning. The eastern zone of Bengaluru alone amounted to a staggering 8 metric tons of waste cluttering the roads. Approximately 2 tons of dry waste were directed to a collection plant for reusing purposes. The cleaning operation was executed by the Solid Waste Department of the Shantinagar Division, comprising 3 supervisors and over 80 civil servants. The workforce utilized 1 compactor and 7 auto tippers to efficiently clear the area. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.